Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon Dusseldorf. I'm going to show you this VW off-road campervan conversion by Mercus camper. This thing's going to cost €100,000. It's got all of this stuff in here. Well, I'll just tell you one, which is a 30-litre water tank. Got a nice hose on the side there, and inside, have a look what else you've got. Comes with a Trigano toilet, and I'm also helping Trigano out as well. So it's got a Dometic fridge. Oh, and by the way, as far as the toilet's concerned, I've done a separate video on how these toilets actually work, but I'll just show you quickly how it is. But you've got a solids and liquids are separated, and I'll show you in a different video, but it doesn't smell because you sort of put composting materials inside. And anyway, never mind, we'll do that in a different video. Got here, this is electric here, so electric induction. That seems to be all the rage now in Germany, and of course, bear in mind, for electric induction does depend on the size of your batteries. That's a really important feature. Here we've got your sink, and here we've got access to shore power and USBs, etc. And that's coming through these obviously come to the battery, and that's coming from the shore power, obviously. And here you've got your control panel, so you can see what's going on, turn your 12 volt off, etc. Rather than having a forward-facing bench, we've got two chairs. But if you want to make the bed, then you've got to put the chairs have to sort of lie down like that, and you put the mattress on top. Over here, we've got part of this part seems to be part of the bed. Under here, we've got, I'll show you this, I'll demonstrate. There's the water tank down there. Of course, you could put something else on top of the water tank. There's a black tank and the white tank. I should have said the water tanks, the fresh water tank, and the other one. A bit of storage up here as well, and of course here as well. Tent in the roof, which is up at present. Let's take you around to the back, and notice there's more electricity down there. Place for spare water or fuel canisters on the back, and here we've got the bed, is that bit there. There you go, seeing under it. What's down here? I used to, most places put the water at the back here, but they've built it into the side. I thought it doesn't make any difference really. This is the outdoor shower. Yet more electric points on this side, and there's your sand tracks to get you out of trouble if you get stuck. Here we've got where to put the water goes in, shore power, and around here. Now on my right we've got a Mercedes which has been sold. This one here is going to cost €95,000. It comes with all of that. It's also got a 30-litre freshwater tank. We'll come around to the rear, because from there we're getting an appreciation of what's going on. It's got one of these kitchens that comes out with one hand. Actually, it's quite easy to do, and there you go. I think actually of the two, I prefer this one. I think this looks more unusual. The bed once more will come over the seats. You see that one seat's been put down to give you an idea of how it actually works. So there you go, Mercus camper on the Mercedes Vito. So hope you found that of interest. Here I am at Caravan Salon Dusseldorf with all sorts of wonderful vehicles around. There we have an electric camper. You can see that separate video. We've got an MAN over there, which has been converted. And so here, though, this is the off-road Mercus camper Volkswagen T6.1 conversion. So thanks for watching. Hope you found it interesting. I upload every day at 21:15. This is the largest selection of camper vans and motorhomes on YouTube. So if you're interested in that, you might want to subscribe. But if you're not, then you certainly won't. All the best from me. Bye for now.